Hello, my name is Kirk Michealson, and I'm one of the instructors for our new Advanced Decision Support Tools and Visualization course. Our Master of Science in Operations Management program leadership decided to include a basic understanding of Excel in their program. But with courses only 8 weeks in length, there wasn't time to teach Excel in the courses with the content needed for the actual course. Therefore, an introduction to decision support tools in operations management, or basic Excel, was built as a prerequisite course for the program. Each student must take the course or pass a proficiency exam. On the slide is what is included in our basic Excel course. To provide a perspective of some problems an operation manager can experience, here are a couple representative problems. I'll only go over the first one. You can read it for yourself, the other two. You have customer data in one file and a list of zip codes affected by winter storms in another file. How can you get a visualization of which customers are most affected by the weather and then create a prioritized list of which customer to call first? Seeing problems like this on the previous slide in their jobs, when students completed the prerequisite course and the MSOM program as a whole, they had a few questions about if there was an additional tool or tools to do other tasks they needed to perform their job. And you can see their questions here on the chart. Due to those questions from the students, and because Excel capabilities have improved dramatically in the last 5 to 10 years, and also that Tableau is growing as a tool used for business intelligence visualization, the MSOM leadership decided to create an advanced course in decision support tools, those tools, Excel and Tableau, to provide students with how to perform the tasks previous students had questions about. Here are the topics that are included in the Advanced Decision Support Tools and Visualization course. As you can see here, we're going to go over data manipulation to get their large operations management databases ready for analysis and charts. Some advanced chart to include with the charts they learned in basic Excel to increase their toolkit to be able to pick the right chart for the project. Some templates and forms to help make their repetitive tasks more efficient. Some additional probability capabilities, some additional advanced data query opportunities with new lookup functions and new pivot table capabilities, some additional what-if analysis with data tables and scenario manager, a dashboard to be able to put everything together from their critical charts and tables, make it interactive for their decision makers and their stakeholders, an introduction to Tableau with statistics and charts and creating geographical maps, and then researching data, conducting analysis, and presenting results ethically. These topics will help operations managers work the representative problems shown on a slide earlier, as well as answer the questions the past students had. We hope to see you in a future Advanced Decision Support Tools and Visualization course.